Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson L3250 printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome, and in search type Epson L3250 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. Go to the first link, open the first link. In this official website, here we find our printer name. Scroll down, it's select our operating system automatic. If it's not select your operating system automatic, then click at here and find Windows 11. If you not find Windows 11, the best option is Windows 10 64-bit or any 64-bit operating system. Windows 10 64-bit is 110% work with our Windows 11. Windows 11 is always 64-bit. Select this and click on the go. Okay, after that scroll down and here we find drivers, expand drivers. Click on this plus button. Here we find two drivers. First driver is our scanner driver and the second driver is the printer driver. First I download my scanner driver. I click on this download and our download is started at the top. Here we find our download is started. Wait for a few seconds and click at here and go to the show in folder and drag this scanner driver to desktop. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to the web browser once again. Go to the official site. Here we find our driver and click on this download button. Here we find printer driver. Click on download and it's redirect you to the another page. Okay, I agree and click on the download. Wait for a few seconds. Click on this. Go to the downloads. Click on show in a folder and drag this file to the desktop. Now here we find our scanner driver. First we install our printer driver. So go to here we find our printer driver and this zip file or this setup file is actually zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Right click on it, click on show more options, click on the extract files, click on the OK and our drivers are extracted on our desktop. Here we find one folder, double click on it, double click on it, double click on it and here we find our drivers. There are two ways to install it. First double click on it and install it, but best way is to install it manually. Attach your USB to your printer to your PC or laptop and after that go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, here we find add a printer or scanner, add a device. Click on add a device. Wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new option is pop up. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add a new device manually. Click on add device manually. Close it. In add a printer, we find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Existing port is the most IMP part in this installation. Click at here and go to any USB port, USB 001, USB 002, 003, 004. Select any USB port, click on the USB port and click on the next. Here we find have disk, click on have disk. Go to the browse, go to the desktop. In a desktop, go to our newly extracted folder, double click on it, double click on it, double click on it. And here we find some files. These all files or .inf files are same drivers. All files are the same drivers. Select any file that you want and click on open and click on the OK. Here we find Epson L3250 series. It is a series printer. Select that. In this series there are many printers including our printer name L3250. Select our printer name. Click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give L3250. Select give that name or give any name that you like and click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take less than 1 minute. So wait for a few seconds to install our printer. Now our printer is installed. If you want to share this printer on network, select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on print a test page or click on a finish. Next option is check install our scanner driver, that is also very IMP. Go to our scanner file, double click on scanner, double click on it or right click on it and click on run as an administrator. Both are same. Click on the yes, wait for a few seconds, click on the next, accept the terms and conditions and click on the next. Now it is installing. It's take few minutes, so be patient and wait for few minutes. Okay, our scanner part is also done. Click on finish. Next option is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Epson L3250, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.